What's up bafflers, James Woodruff here. We have a brand new TechBaffle studio set up. This is definitely the most I've ever invested in TechBaffle, but I really want to raise it to the next level. I'm super excited to show you what's what. Yeah, we'll flex. But hey, you'll probably be seeing it in future videos. I'm really pleased about how this has turned out. More importantly, TechBaffle as a whole is more organised. My videos were never planned and it was a shambles. Now everything has a schedule and important stuff behind the scenes to make sure videos are my best. Now for the exciting bit, daily uploads. Starting today, we have some exciting new videos lined up. We have brand new merch available at techbaffle.shop. I've just got my limited edition black hoodie with a white TechBaffle logo. Now I've been a bit daft and haven't actually got my unboxing knife, so I'll have to use my infinite strength. And there we have it. Also on a side note, no top camera at the moment. I'll be showing you why in a future video. Also, if I'm reading the script and it looks a bit like I'm looking at the sky, also a future video. Things aren't quite complete in the TechBaffle studio, so yeah, there is more improvements to come. So I'm not going to move that around because it's going to mess up the audio. I like my hoodies in XL purely because they're just roomy and comfortable, but you can order whatever size you like. The sizes are actually really reasonable. That's quite difficult to say. And yeah, they're just really comfortable. So without further ado, let's put it on. So this is actually a new thing for TechBaffle merch. We've never had embroidered hoodies. I just hit myself with the hood.
Here we go. Wow, that's super soft.
Oh, that's brilliant. And you also got a hood as well. So you can adjust it using these, what's named? Embroidery feels really nice. The merch is available in the EU and the US. So it will arrive to you really quickly. Like I ordered this and it came in like a couple of days. The fleecy material on the inside is really nice and soft. It's nice and cozy. In fact, it is a little bit too warm in front of these really bright lights. That is a door. Welcome, welcome, come on in to the TechBaffle studio. Yes, this is quite a difficult camera to use as a vlogging camera. So, as we walk backwards, which is dangerous, we are greeted with the TechBaffle studio, which is luckily not as echoey as it is in that room. So yes, we've got the new shelving unit, we've got the new chair, the new desk. We also have these really bright softbox lighting. Okay, so we have the classic like, follow and subscribe cushions. We can't forget those, they are very important. We also have some new additions, including the tablet, which I have actually covered in a previous video. It's the Fire HD10, first generation. It basically just plays the TechBaffle logo and other things if I want it to. There's some artificial plants, like this one here. It's a very nice sort of leafy kind of bush. It has a name. This one I do have the name for. That's a, wait a minute, it's a hydrangea, yes. So this is a nice pink one. We have other ones here as well. We have this cube, which is a special one because it has a Philips Hue green light and a slinky, which I love these things. This is a metal one, I actually just got this. I had a plastic one before and it kind of got all tangled up. Don't know if you've ever owned one of these before. Don't tangle it up, it's very difficult to untangle. Also, I don't even know if I'm pointing. There we go, I can see what's going on now. So yeah, these are funny things. You can make these go downstairs, and I'm not really demonstrating it that well, but you get the idea. What am I doing? Okay, we'll leave you there. So, up here we have another hydrangea. These boxes are cool, from a new brand from Amazon called Yumi. It's not a sponsor, it's just, they just put their brand on the box. And yeah, I think these boxes are really cool. If you look, if I go across here, it kind of changes colour. It goes sort of green and pink and orange and loads of other colours as well. Kind of like the back of my phone at the moment. But yeah, we have another hydrangea here. We have the follow button, we have the subscribe button. We have Come on, cables. Yep. We have ding the bell icon if you haven't done so already. And we have this, which is a Newton's cradle, which does that, which is really cool. I think if you do it properly, it can go on for ages. So yeah, we have this pot plant, which I just noticed, which is out of place. Very annoying indeed. We have a nice, another one of those bushes. And we have a rose gold, not real rose gold. We're on a budget here. This is some sort of metal pineapple. The backstory for this is the fact that when I was looking at shelving units, I saw these just as ornaments and I just thought it looked interesting. With a Philips Hue light on pink, as I can adjust the colours. Let me know if you have any sorts of colours you want me to use. I've used green there and pink there. And yes, we have these blue boxes as well. Nothing actually has anything in them yet. They're just empty boxes, but I'm hoping in future I can store things in there. So not only would it look quite cool, it will actually be practical. We have this curtain here, which is a nice curtain, a very nice black curtain. I'm sure you're tuned in to see a black curtain, but it's very nice. This thing is quite interesting. It's a modular unit. Now, me and my dad built this. Time lapse, please. Yeah, it looks easy on the time lapse, but honestly these things are a bit fiddly to do, but it creates a nice sort of solid storage unit. Just rock the whole thing. So yeah, if you just want to put a few storage items on, a few ornaments, it does the trick. And yeah, you don't have to have it in this shape. It's hard to really describe it, it's just a big rectangle. But yeah, you can make them in triangles and whatever shapes you desire. So that is the TechBaffle studio tour. As we drag along the cables again. Come on, cables. Shush. We have a new desk. It's a big desk. The other desk was actually tiny. I used a wide angle camera and it just made it look big. It was probably half, if that, size of that desk. It's a tiny desk. I also had a terrible, uncomfortable chair. This chair is really nice. It's like a sort of, I think it's leather or leather effect, I don't actually know. But it's very comfortable. I actually use the same chair in my office. I just got two because I thought, well, if it works in my office, it works in the studio. So yes, on the tripod, we don't have anything at the moment because I've just taken the camera off. But luckily, that's a terrible angle with the lights. Yeah, we will be covering the camera in a future video because I've got a video coming up on this camera. So yeah, let's go back to sitting down. Thanks for watching. If you've seen anything you like, I've put links in the description. The links are affiliated. By using a link, you help fund future TechBaffle videos. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. Let's see if we can reach 5,000 subscribers by December. If you like this video, smash that like button. Last thing is a big thank you to all of you who helped make TechBaffle possible. The free up storage space video has reached over 1.2 million views. I never thought it'd reach 100 views, let alone a million. If you're new to TechBaffle, I'd like to welcome you on board. Have a cup of tea or whatever you like to drink and enjoy. For all the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.